Yo, hello guys. Welcome to the first week of June, and right here we have gold. Do like, subscribe, drop your comments as I respond to comments. Thank you for the likes, rather, and for the subscription. I really appreciate it, guys. Okay, so let's go into gold for this week. Let's do an intensive view of gold on this first week of June. What we are looking at and what we might possibly benefit from gold this week. So gold has been uptrending, you can see. Gold has been uptrending, and we have expected some reversal from gold for some while, and gold has refused to reverse. Yes, because gold is closer to the fib zone of the fib take profit zone, so I feel that's why gold refused to sell. All the sell setup is just a trap, because I see that as much as I see some sweet sell setup, I didn't get in because I realized that gold is about to shoot up. So this is what the view on the weekly is, and from what I can say, if gold hadn't broken out of this ascending channel, I would have still loved to see a sell setup. But for the fact that gold broke out, retested it, and break a new high, that simply tells me that we are continuing the trend. So on a weekly, gold is as a demand zone. You can see it. On a weekly, gold is as a demand zone. So this is not it for now. Gold is at the demand zone. So if gold could break this, then USD does the it's weekly, not just USD. So weekly times €5. So that will reverse and will break. Yeah, and price came back into it. So let's go down to daily to see what we have. Okay, so using this trend line are just for my 4-hour time frame. Stem dry 4-hour time frame. So let me restrict them to 4-hour time frame. This is the part where I'm going to say. Traced back to this zone. So if price retraced back to this zone, I want to see a daily choke. Yeah, this was the next standing. So in here, I want to see a daily choke. So maybe they choke it. Maybe they choke it. So I want to see price break out this high first. If price could break out this high, then I'll possibly find a way to get in and to take out this high. So I want to see confirmation that we have broken this high and we are good to go. So that's what I've been looking for a daily standpoint. So let's go down to 4 hour. Now on 4 hour I have a lot of zones on 4 hour. I don't mind. Yeah. Okay. Don't mind the fact that I have a lot of zones on 4 hour. Yeah. 4 hour is a little bit more sweet for me. Because I find the most entry for now, so I pay more attention to 4 hours than some other time frame. So from my 4 hour view, I'm beginning to see some after price retreat in here. We have this sweep. We have that sweep and price broke this high. Price came back into the zone. Sweep. Price came back to this guy that will take the sweep and price entered here, retraced, broke this guy. These are some of the things that gave me confirmation. When price broke this guy, I knew price would come back. Price came back here despite me knowing price didn't mitigate me, because I think I was having my entry on 45 minutes, but price didn't mitigate me. So my entry was between this low. Price didn't mitigate me, so price pushed. And price continues its doings. Price got this. Fair enough. Which is fair enough for me. So where we change the character, price came back into here, pushed. Price didn't mitigate the zone. Price left an inducement for the zone. So this was the inducement. Demand inducement. This was the inducement. This was the inducement. Price broke this side, So this was the first reaction. We have this change of character. Price mitigates these guys here. So we have some supplies here that wasn't mitigated, and price just man, when price came here, I was like, what the price just dropped. Imagine just as nothing. We have these flip zones still active because we have one unmitigated demand there. Immediately we broke, we trace back to it and we use it to break this retracement and continuation continuation of this leg. So this is another continuation of this leg. Line. Do I have to say line? Interesting. Okay. So we have a BMS here. So I was expecting to see this supply get taken because I'm looking for entry on gold. I'm looking for entries. All the supplies, I think I didn't mark the supply well. Let me close it. Yeah, I didn't mark it well. This was the first truck. Truck here, which was at the bottom. So the first supply goes from here. This is the first supply. When price came to it, the price sold off. So we have another supply here, which is this last month here. This last month here is the one I'm looking at here. It's not an effective supply though. I'm just looking because price might react to it a little. Not really strong because we need to complete this break. So this is where the trade card happened. This is the person responsible for it. We came back into this zone. We dropped this took out this inducement. This took out this inducement here. Because we have an unmitigated zone here. We have an unmitigated zone here. Why? This zone sweep this Judas candle here. So we have a zone. Price came back, tapped into its price move. So when price broke it, price came back, dropped. Price dropped. Price traced. We have a drop that broke this low. Who is responsible? This dodgy candle. Price came into it twice and dropped and broke this low also. So now what I'm looking for now is the confirmation, and the confirmation will be on this side. There's a fair value gap present in this zone, so I'm looking at this demand here. If this demand can break these two highs, if this demand here can break these two highs, then if it comes back, I'll find an entry at the fair value gap or here, and here will be my take profit. So this is my view on gold presently. I'm looking to buy gold. Forgive my chat for being so messy. I've said it several times. That's how I understand what I'm doing on the chat, where we are, as I get to know what's going on in the chat. So I tend to have all this on my chat, YouTube disturbing for a lot of people. Yes, I can understand, but this is how best I can understand what I'm doing. So permit me as I go through my chart with these multiple colors. Some people don't like multiple colors, they prefer just one color, but I find a way to understand this. So you're free to use your own set of colors. You can stick to 2 colors, but sometimes I want to differentiate daily from 4-hour from weekly. So I want to differentiate their demands and their supplies. So that's why I have it named. Alright, that's that on gold. I guess we have something similar on EU and G, but we'll look right into it after this. Alright, so I am not taking anything yet on gold because gold has not really given me confirmation entry. So I need a confirmation entry on gold if I could take it entry. So I want to see one supply, at least this major demand, this major daily supply. I want to see if they're taken. Once the supply gets taken, I'll have more confidence to go into the trade. Alright, that's what I have for you guys on gold. See you. Bye.